Hello everyone, myself Swati Gandla, Assistant Professor, Satara College of Pharmacy, Satara. Experiment number 14. Aim to study carrageenan induced anti-inflammatory activity on acute paw edema in rats. Requirements: animal used rat, which is of 150 to 200 grams. Drugs used carrageenan. Prepare 1% weight by volume solution and inject 0.1 ml underneath the plantar region. Indomethacin dose of 20 mg per kg subcutaneously. Prepare a stock solution containing 4 mg per ml of the drug and injection 0.5 ml per 100 grams of body weight of the animal. Equipment: piezometer, a simple apparatus containing mercury. The mercury displacement due to dipping of the paw can be directly read from sail attached to the mercury column or adjusting the mercury level in the arm B to the original level by moving arm B up and down, noting the volume required to bring the level in both the arms equal. 1 ml syringe with 26 number 5 needle for injecting carrageenan in plantar region. Principle Principle: inflammation is a reaction to infection. Injury, irritation, or foreign is a part of the host defenses mechanism, but when it becomes uncontrolled, it is hopeless condition. Aging also considered to be an anti-inflammatory response. There are several tissue factors or mechanisms that are known to be involved in the inflammatory action as release of histamine, bradykinin and prostaglandins. The development of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents in recent years has contributed a lot in not only overcoming the human suffering such as arthritis but also has helped in understanding the tissue mechanisms of inflammation. The student is advised to study the pathophysiology and the mechanism of action of anti-inflammatory drugs before performing this experiment or better understanding. The inflammatory reaction is readily produced in rats in form of paw edema with the help of irritant. Substances such as carrageenan, formalin, bradykinin, histamine, hydroxytryptamine, mustard, or egg white, when injected in the rostrum of the foot of rats, they produce acute paw edema within a few seconds of the injection. Carrageenan-induced paw edema is the most commonly used method in experimental pharmacology. Carrageenan is a sulfated polysaccharide obtained from seaweed and by causing the release of histamine, 5-HT, bradykinin and prostaglandins, it produces inflammation and edema. This method is based upon the ability of anti-inflammatory agents to inhibit the edema protein in the hind paw of the rat after injection of a phlogistic agent. The volume of the injected paw is measured before and after the application of irritants. The paw volume of treated animals is compared with control. Plethysmograph is used to measure paw volume. Procedure: the rat of either sex weighing 150 to 200 gram are used in the experiment. The subplantar injection of 0.1 ml of 1% solution of carrageenan is given and volume of injected paw is measured at 0 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes and up to 5 hours with plethysmograph. Experimental drug in given 60 minutes prior to the administration of carrageenan and the inhibition of swelling is compared with that of control group. Discussion: inflammation is clinically characterized as rubor, calor, tumor, and dolor. It has three phases. The first phase is due to increase in vascular permeability resulting in extrusion of fluid from the blood into the interstitial spaces. The second phase involves infiltration of leukocytes from the blood into the tissue, and the third phase is granuloma formation. Phenylbutazone and indomethacin are powerful anti-inflammatory agents with analgesic and antipyretic properties. They inhibit production of eicosanoids like prostaglandins, thromboxanes, and prostaglandins by inhibition of cyclooxygenase and thereby reduce edema in this model. POI edema is the method used for testing acute inflammation. Among other methods of screening, this is simple and most commonly used technique. It is a rapid as well as reproducible method. It is used to estimate duration of action and potency of corticosteroids after systematic as well as local application. However, it is non-specific method and not valid for assessment of currently used anti-inflammatory agents. Procedure: weigh the animal and number them. Mark on both the hind paws, right and left, just beyond tibio-tarsal junction, so that every time the paw is dipped in the mercury column up to the fixed mark to ensure constant paw volume. Note the initial paw volume on each rat by mercury displacement method. Divide the animals into two groups, each comprising of at least 4 rats. To one group, inject saline, and to the second group, inject indomethacin subcutaneously. After 30 minutes, inject 0.1 ml of 1% carrageenan in the plantar region of DIPE left paw of control as well as indomethacin treated group. The right paw will serve as reference non-inflamed paw for comparison. Note the paw volume of both legs of control and indomethacin treated rats at 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes after carrageenan challenge. Calculate the present difference in right and left paw volumes of each animal of control and indomethacin treated group. Compare the mean percent change in paw volume in control and drug treated animals and express as percent edema inhibition by the drug. Thank you.